Your face is covered with signs. Here's how to tell what's wrong with your kidneys, hormones and liver. Clean skin is a great sign that your health is in amazing condition and your entire body is exceptionally healthy. In other words, if you experience skin issues, this can tell you that you are having some problems in your body. Face mapping is based on the philosophies of Ayurveda and Chinese medicine that connect the differences that happen to your skin with the overall health of your body. This means that face mapping can give you the most realistic view of the complete health of your body. You will be able to find the root cause for your issues, thus treating the internal problems in your body. Area: forehead. Related to liver, gallbladder. Area: the left side of the area between your eyebrows. Related to stored emotions in the spleen. Explanation: the lines in this area indicate that the individual probably has inside themselves some non-expressed, hidden emotions placed in the spleen. Area: the right side of the area between the eyebrows. Related to stored emotions inside the liver. Explanation: skin issues or wrinkles inside this area are a sign that the person keeps unexpressed anger, which in fact has been kept inside the liver. Area: eyes. Related to intestines, joints, thyroid gland. Explanation: spotty iris discoloration probably indicated intestinal malabsorption. Too much white color over the iris is a sign of joint degeneration, while the little irises are related to general joint problems. Area: underneath the eyes. Related to kidney. Explanation: swelling and puffy lower eyelids can occur as a result of a lazy function of the kidneys. Also, if you do not have proper function of your kidneys, you will notice dark, puffy bags below your eyes. Area: cheeks. Related to lungs, sluggish metabolism, malabsorption. Explanation: if you have patches on your cheeks with not color, you should know that this is a sign of very bad metabolic rate as well as malabsorption. Moreover, the issues inside this part can also mean that you have some problems with the function of your lungs. Area: nose. Related to cardiovascular system. Explanation: this area is associated with circulation, so if you have skin issues in the area of the nose, they may be a sign of blood pressure problems. Area: lower lip. Related to digestive system. Explanation: pale lips may indicate anemia. The lower lip is related to the function of the intestines, so if you notice some brown spots, you should know that you may suffer from indigestion, an overgrowth of worms or parasite in the intestines, or insufficient digestive enzymes. Area: tongue. Related to lungs, toxin overload. Explanation: the surface of the tongue, particularly if examined in the morning, can tell a lot about your body and health. Area: chin. Related to stress, hormonal imbalance. Explanation: the chin is an area where stress and hormonal imbalance are manifested, so many women may have noticed that they have blemishes around their chin at that time of the month.